If you are looking for the best anti-snoring pillow, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. InteVision Foam Anti-Snoring Pillow. This wedge foam pillow is made by combing a firm foam base with a layer of memory foam. The former is effective in providing support while the latter is used to improve comfort. This pillow is useful for raising its users and helping to better align the head, neck, shoulders, and spine. This in turn not only helps to reduce snoring but also comes in handy to reduce cases of acid reflux and improve circulation. The pillow comes with a washable cover that is easy to remove and can be machine washed. Number 2. Cushy Form Bed Wedge Anti-Snoring Pillow. This pillow allows you to convert an ordinary bed into a recliner in order to achieve better support for your upper back as well as your shoulders. You can also use it to prop yourself up when reading a book or simply watching your favorite show on television. It also comes in handy for propping up your legs. It, therefore, allows you to improve your posture as long as you are sitting or lying down, regardless of the activity you are undertaking. To improve comfort, the top is made from memory foam. Number 3. VISCO Love Silver Sleep Therapeutic Memory Foam Pillow. The Anti-Snore Memory Foam Pillow by VISCO Love is designed using elastic materials that cause it to adapt to both heat and pressure. This, in turn, helps it take up the natural contours of your shoulders and neck, improving its ability to properly align them and maintain an open airway as you sleep. Apart from improving your sleeping posture and helping to reduce your snoring events, this pillow helps to guard against neck and shoulder pains that result from a poor sleeping posture. It is designed to thermo-regulate through the use of air channels. Number 4. Xtreme Comforts Anti-Snoring Bed Pillow. This pillow is also designed to be breathable, a feature necessary to ensure effective thermoregulation. To improve its breathability, manufacturers make use of cool flow technology in their bamboo covers. These covers have micro vents that help to keep heat and moisture from accumulating as you sleep. This, in turn, keeps you from interrupting your sleep in order to turn your pillow on its cool side. Another reason for this pillow's inclusion in this guide is its hypoallergenic features and the fact that it comes with a washable cover. Number 5. EPABO Contour Memory Foam Anti-Snoring Pillow. Our last one is EPABO's Contour Memory Foam Pillow. It is an affordable option that may help quiet your snoring. This ultra-supportive pillow has an ergonomic design that will help you breathe comfortably as you sleep. The hypoallergenic memory foam lines up your neck and shoulders to promote proper posture and a clear airway for less snoring and more restful sleep. Best of all, it's a fraction of the cost of other contour pillows. It provides therapeutic relief for all sleepers and neck pain. It's premium fabric to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the night.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.